Hey, I'm Chef Guy Turland, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my overnight oat recipe. It is delicious, it is creamy, and it will get you out of bed in the morning, that is guaranteed. Our first step is simply mixing some honey, some vanilla bean, and a pinch of salt into a bowl. Add as much or as little honey as you like, depending on if you have a sweet tooth. We're going to add some vanilla bean in there, adds a lovely flavour. If you don't like vanilla bean, go with some cinnamon, go with some matcha, or just leave it out. It's that simple. Pinch of salt. The salt just helps bring out the natural flavour. So we're just going to bring those ingredients together just until they're combined and smooth. And our next step is we're going to add some milk. I love using lactate milk. It's 100% real milk, just without the lactose. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it really elevates this recipe to the next level. And again, combine it with the honey, salt, and vanilla bean. To that, we're going to add our rolled oats straight into the same bowl, making sure that these oats are all kissed and covered by that milk, that honey, and that vanilla bean. It really is the lactate milk that elevates this recipe and makes the overnight oats super creamy and just so delicious. I also make up a massive batch of this before I go to bed, and it means I've always got a delicious and wholesome breakfast ready to go when I wake up or after a surf, because after a surf, I am very hungry. Let's wrap it up, put it in the fridge. This is exactly what you're after. You can see it's absorbed. It really is that lactate milk that makes all the difference. And now it's time to layer it in a jar. And we're gonna layer it with some peanut butter, some jam, some peanuts, some chia seeds, and then some fresh berries on top. Little base layer of the overnight oats. To that, we're gonna add jam. You can see what I'm doing here. I want to create some really cool and colourful layers. Now, onto my peanut butter. Got this. You'll have breakfast ready for a whole week. I'm just going to top that with a pinch of chia seeds, a good handful of peanuts, and then some fresh berries. It's all about that mix of textures, that mix of flavours. Delicious overnight oats made with lactate, which is 100% real milk, just without the lactose, meaning you can enjoy it even if you're sensitive. Get creative, get cooking, make this recipe work with the seasons, just deliciousness in a glass. And now, onto my favourite part. Big spoon, big glass of overnight oats. Honestly, peanut butter and jelly are a classic for a reason. Get cooking, guys. Make this recipe, have it in your fridge, it'll save you time. I promise you it'll put a smile on your face.